when it's just you in the house by yourself.
It's 5 p.m., let's get fucked up until the morning again. She's so pretty, I'll fuck her till the morning again. Morning. Fuck her till the morning. Do that shit no more. I was so high on Percocets, eat it off the floor. My feet know how them turned on. Still got her clothes off. She don't even need no bill card. Oh, yeah. It's the morning again. I like that. I wonder if my habits will kill me. I wanna know why, but I get that feeling when I walk into the building. It's this feeling of chilling. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I've had enough. I've had enough. I've had enough.
Yeah, sorry, 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 yeah. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I wanna tell you, tryna tell you that I'm sorry. So many times I apologize and said I'm sorry. I know I lied to you, but I swear that I'm sorry. I'll never do it again.
I swear I got my heart broke one too many times, but when I seen your pretty face, girl, you made me smile. When I was strolling through the dark, I couldn't make it out, cause I ain't really had no faith, I could've made it out. But then you came through like a star in the night, but then I started running cause I thought